To add a FortiGate firewall to FortiAnalyzer, configure the FortiGate to point to the FortiAnalyzer IP address, log into FortiAnalyzer to authorize the incoming device, and verify that the connection status changes to active and authorized. FortiGate and FortiAnalyzer check IP address, both are same block or reachable required. Ping reachability check from FortiAnalyzer to FortiGate firewall. In FortiAnalyzer, open client, verify ping check. In FortiAnalyzer, ping reachable FortiGate. To add a FortiGate to FortiAnalyzer, go to Security Fabric, then Fabric Connectors. Edit Logging and Analytics, then add FortiAnalyzer IP. Select FortiAnalyzer and set the status to Enable. Enter the FortiAnalyzer IP or FQDN address and select OK, Upload option real time. In FortiAnalyzer, under Device Manager, expand. Set FortiGate name, serial number, device model and description, and then click Next. Added FortiGate on FortiAnalyzer. It takes some time, 5 minutes to functionality. Check all information about FortiAnalyzer. Verify FortiAnalyzer from FortiGate. Now functional FortiAnalyzer with HF FortiGate firewall. Now check some log from FortiAnalyzer.